Now, let's talk about now two angles in standard position here. Oh, sorry, the two angles, we call them and coterminal angles if they have the same terminal side. Like if you have this side here, okay, and you have now this angle as an example that you start from here and you stop here. This angle is 135. And if you have now another angle that's you start from here and you could will go now with the negative or with clockwise and you stopped here. So the measure of this angle will be you can say 180, 270 plus 45 or 315. So here it will be negative 315. Now both of these two angles, 135 and negative 315, sorry, it's not 315. And here we have 0, 270 plus 45, 180, plus 45, 225, sorry. So both of these two angles, which is 135 and negative 225, both of these angles have the same coterminal side, the same terminal side. This one.
Teacher, how is negative 225?
Sorry?
But negative 225 is supposed to be like in the. Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, because
Sorry,
you have 0, 80, 180, add 145 to 180, you will get 225.
Yeah.
Okay. So here now, both of these two angles here, let's draw them because I have. So if you have here this angle here, okay, its measure now is 135. And if you measure now the angle from this side here up to this side, you will find that the angle here is negative 225. So since these two angles, 135 and negative 225 degree, since both of them, their terminal side are the same, the terminal side here are the same. So that's mean we will say that these two angles are co-terminal angles. These two angles have the same.
There was the rule, right?
Yeah.
There was a rule, we either add 360 to the angle or subtract 360 from the angle to get the coterminal, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Sometimes yes, sometimes no, because they are like 540 and other angle, because 540 it's rotate, it's continuous rotation and half. Hello, when you have this other example, you understand what I say. But for here, the terminal sides, that both of them have the same terminal side. Is it clear, or shall I give you another example?
Teacher, can you give another example?
For me, it's clear.
Now here, you have this angle, This angle here is 50. So let's find now if this is 50, where's the other angle that it has the same terminal side? It's supposed to be now negative because you have to start from clockwise up to here. So the other angle will be from this initial side and at this terminal side. So what's the other angle will be?
310.
This is here, yeah.
Negative.
This is now 90 or up to here 90, 180, 270. Now, if this is 50, this will be 40. So you have to add 270 plus 40, which is 310. So negative 310 will be the co-terminal angle of 50. That is the another angle that may have the same terminal side like 50. Is it clear now?
Teacher, why you said it's negative 310?
Because we are going now clockwise. So it's supposed to be negative.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, it's clear. Thank you, teacher.
Now let's have this problem here. What of the following angles is not coterminal with any of the other three? Here now we have 300. This angle 300 here, it has, oh, it will be, this is the initial side. And here we have 270, so it's supposed to be here. This angle here is 300. Here we have 270. Add 30 to it, you will get angles of 300. Now, let's find where is negative 60. Let's find now where is negative 60 here. Negative 60, since this is 30, so this is here will be 60. Then I have negative 60, so I have to start moving from here. Let's change the color first. From here up to here. So this angle here, the green angle here, will be negative 60 because this is the rotation here is 60. But since I'm moving clockwise, I am moving, sorry, clockwise, so it has to be negative 60. So this negative 60, if you draw its sides, it will be here. So we found now that 300 and negative 60 are coterminal angles.
Teacher, how do you know that this is negative 60 that in this line?
Yes, here you have 270 and this is 300. So the angle here is what? 300 minus 270.
Yeah, it's
Tell me, if you have here 270 and if you have here 300, so what is the measure here of the angle? Or the measure of the rotation?
30.
30. And if these two axes are perpendicular to each other, so the measure of between these two sides will be 90. They are perpendicular. So if this is 30, this will be what?
60.
60. Now, so the amount of rotation here is 60, but I'm moving now clockwise, so it will be negative 60.
Okay.
Let's draw them here. Hello, this is a 300. Okay, let's draw down them. Hello, if this is here 0, this is negative 90, I have negative 60, so this is 80, this is 60, so this the angle will be here. This is now negative 60. Now look at 300 and negative 60. Are they have the same terminal side?
Yes, they do.
Are they have the same terminal side written?
300 and negative 60 do have the same terminal side.
Yes, they
Yeah,
have the
but
same
60.
terminal side. Now let's draw 60. Here is no 0, 90. So 60 will be here because this is 45. Now look at angle 60. Now is 60 have the same terminal side with negative 60?
No.
طب does it have the same terminal side with 300?
No.
No. So
No.
you cannot say that 60 has the same a coterminal side with negative 60 or with 300. No. Now we have less than 1 minute, so I will stop here now and join me, please. Rejoin the class. So now we will continue.